In the heart of Africa, a gentle giant roams the savanna. Its massive ears flap in the breeze, and its trunk sways gracefully as it walks. This majestic creature is the African elephant, and today we're diving into 5 fascinating facts about these incredible animals. Did you know that African elephants are the largest land animals on Earth? These colossal creatures can weigh up to 13,000 pounds. That is about the same as 3 large SUVs. Standing at an impressive height of up to 13 feet at the shoulder, they truly are giants among us. But their size isn't just for show. These elephants use their immense strength to shape the landscape, uprooting trees and creating pathways that benefit other species in their ecosystem. Our second fact might surprise you. Despite their enormous size, African elephants are excellent swimmers. They use their trunks as natural snorkels, allowing them to breathe while submerged in deep water. So these aquatic adventures aren't just for fun. Elephants often cross rivers and lakes to reach new feeding grounds or escape danger. Speaking of trunks, let's move on to our third fact. An elephant's trunk is a true marvel of nature. This versatile appendage contains over 40,000 muscles and can lift objects weighing up to 700 pounds. But that's not all. Elephants use their trunks for breathing, smelling, drinking, and even showing affection. It's like having a built-in multi-tool. Our fourth fact takes us into the realm of elephant communication. These intelligent animals have a complex social structure and use a variety of vocalizations to communicate. From low-frequency rumbles that can travel for miles to high-pitched trumpets, elephants have a rich vocabulary. They can even communicate through vibrations in the ground, which they detect through their sensitive feet. Finally, let's talk about elephant memory. You've probably heard the phrase, "an elephant never forgets," and there's truth to this saying. Elephants have remarkable long-term memory, allowing them to remember specific individuals and locations for years. This memory is crucial for their survival, helping them find water sources during droughts and recognize friendly faces in their vast home ranges. As we reflect on these incredible facts, it's clear that African elephants are not just large animals, but complex, intelligent beings with rich social lives. Their presence on our planet is a testament to the wonders of nature, and their conservation is crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of African ecosystems.